So since no one taught you, you were self-taught, right? Mm-hmm. Or is it basically YouTube University also?
It was more so a little bit of both, right? Because social media will provide you with what you need. Google real quick with the recipes, right? So you always testing stuff and trying things out and seeing what works and what doesn't work.
Yes.
For me, my skill set more so lied with creating like cupcakes. I started out with cupcakes. Cupcakes for me were just super simple because you just put it together and put it in the oven and that was it. Then I elevated to cakes. Cakes are a little bit more complex because there's a leavening portion, there's a filling portion, there's a stacking portion, there is a crumb coating portion, there's a coating, and then there's the actual design of the cake, right?
Sounds like a lot.
Yeah, you went on the trip with me.
Yeah, I'm like, God damn, how about just making a cake?
No, we're making an art, and we're also producing something of quality and worth, something people can actually talk about and not just eating like, okay, that was just cake. No, you're going to have an experience and a heavenly experience. That's why we're called Holy Sweets.